Hi fellow investors, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss and analyze about a small scale penny steel company, which is Lloyds Steel Industries. I see a very strong potential growth in this company, which you have already seen in my screen, which where I have provided you a detailed target levels as well as the entry point and as well as the stop loss. I am going to invest 12 lakh rupees into this stock exactly at a price of 36.50 rupees. Currently, this stock is trading at 38.40 rupees. Please make sure you watch this video completely so that by end of this video you could able to have a clear picture on this company as well as on this stock when it comes into the fundamental analysis as well as the technical analysis, where exactly that you need to enter into the stock and how long that you need to travel to gain more in profits from this company, and where exactly that you need to keep the stop loss with a proper valid logic. When it comes into the fundamentals of this company's market capital is 3,798 crore, and this company is having a very good book value as well as a face value. And this company is a small scale penny stock, but still this company is paying a dividend of 0.26% from the past 5 years. This company is established in 1974, which is engaged in heavy equipment, machinery and systems for the hydrocarbon sector, oil and gas and steel plants and power plants as well. When it comes into the quarterly results, this company has given a profit of 6.42 crore for the quarter March 2023, which is one of the best for this company, and this company has given a 37 crore for the year of March 2023. This is one of the best and the highest for this company. This company has never given a profit of more than 10 crores from the past almost 10 years, but 37 crore for the period of March 2023 is really very good for this company. And this company has a compound sales growth which is almost like 524%, and the compound profit growth was almost like 557%, and this company has a good return on equity which is almost like 25%. When you compare the previous years from the past 5 years, this company has a huge almost like 500% growth in sales as well as in profit as well as in return on equity. When it comes to the shareholding pattern, this company is having a promoter's hold of 59.79%, and the rest is the public, which is almost like 40.14%. This company has a tremendous results throughout the quarter as well as throughout the year, which is giving a really very strong profits when it comes into the quarterly as well as the annually. So I'm sure that this company is going to give a good returns in the future as well as according to the previous 5 years results. When it comes into the technical analysis, if you see the chart on my screen, this company is continuously in an upward momentum from here until here. If you see the chart, this pattern which is nothing but a bullish pennant pattern, this pattern which you have clearly a pole, and this is consolidated in between the pennant, and which has given a huge breakout with almost like heavy volume over here, which is exactly at 21 million volume in one day. And then again the other day which has given a huge breakout again. If you see the candle over here, this was given a huge breakout with a heavy volume which is more than 21 million volume in one day. Currently this stock is exactly at a very strong bullish pattern, and this pattern was already broke with a heavy green candle and with a heavy volume. So I am sure that this stock has already given a huge breakout with a heavy volume, with a heavy momentum, and this stock is going to go and retrace exactly at this price, which is going to be 36.50, which is a very strong support where the more number of buyers are accumulating into this company to buy this stock. So this is exactly the right price which where we need to enter to gain more in profits from this company. So I would recommend all my fellow investors to wait for some more time to enter into the stock exactly at this price, and the target 1 is going to be 50 rupees and the target 2 is going to be 60 rupees and the target 3 is going to be 70 rupees within 1 to 6 months of time. Please make sure you keep the strict stop loss, which is going to be exactly at 34 rupees. If you see the chart, this chart is a daily chart, which you could able to see it clearly that this trend, this stock was continuously in an upward momentum with an higher highs, and this pattern which is over here is a bullish pennant pattern, which is one of the best in technical chart pattern, which is already broke with a heavy volume and going to be consolidate for some time, which is going to go on consolidate over here like this, or consolidate into this zone where exactly where the more number of buyers are waiting here, and will break from here to the next level, which is going to be 50 rupees. Please make sure you keep this stock under your radar and make sure you enter exactly at the right price and book the profits on time to gain more in returns from this company. As you already know that most of my stocks which I am recommending in this company are depends on the technical chart patterns, buyers and seller psychology, candlestick patterns, as well as the support and the resistance levels. Whenever I see a stock which is going to be breakout by having all these technical chart patterns, then immediately I will go ahead and invest into that company, and I will recommend into the same channel. I'm thinking of investing 12 lakh rupees exactly at a price of 36.50 rupees, and I'm just waiting to retrace this stock until at that level, and then I will go ahead and invest into this company. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe my channel, like and comment, so that these recommendations will reach to more other investors, and they could able to invest on time and gain more in profits from these breakout stocks. Have a happy, healthy, wealthy and successful life. Jai Hind.